The whole point of decorating this is not like put a lot of money into this. The whole point of decorating this is that it is an instrument used to offer beautiful sound to the Buddhas. So when you offer beautiful sound, even the object in which the sound comes from is beautiful. Does everybody understand? And then usually these have 5 colors. The 5 colors represent our 5 aggregates. Okay, feeling, touch, mind, smell, taste, hearing, the 5 aggregates. Through those 5 aggregates, we perceive everything. Through the 5 aggregates, we understand everything. If we understand it wrong, the 5 aggregates create more negative karma. If we understand it correctly, the 5 aggregates become something that creates positive karma. So when we offer the 5 colors up to the Buddha, right? Blue, white, red, green, and yellow, it represents the 5 aggregates. We offer it up to the Buddha mean what? It means we offer our negative aggregate up, purify, so whatever comes from my speech, my mind, my thoughts, my feeling is positive. That's why we offer the 5 colors. And then we offer ornaments. We can offer pearls. We can offer wish-fulfilling jewels here. We can offer banners. We can offer tassels. Why? Because we're decorating the offering up to the Buddha. Everything offered up to the Buddha should be very beautiful. Does everybody understand this? Okay? And inside each damaru, original, authentic one should contain, don't rip it open to see God or not. Inside each should be written the Sanskrit letter Ah. Because all forms arise from the primordial sound of Ah. So when you put an Ah there and you play the damaru, you permeate everybody with the blessing of the syllable Ah. And Ah represents Buddha's speech.